I'm Dr. Sujata Tyagarajan, pediatrician here at Aster Women and Children's Hospital in Whitefield. Many parents come to us very worried about the rashes that they see in their children, and they're worried whether it is chicken pox. If your child is going to the nursery, or if you have another child with similar illness and your child is in contact with it, you will see a few rashes appearing, probably majority in the arms and legs. Okay, and also a few around the mouth. Your child may have some fever and they may refuse to take anything by mouth. The child may be a bit cranky. And if your child is going to the nursery and then there's another child, you may see notices from the school telling about hand, foot and mouth going on in the nursery, then you know that's what it is. Now, a few clarifications about them, how to recognize. So I told you that your child may be cranky, may come up with these rashes which are sparing the body. So just remember, it spares the body. It's predominantly in the arms and legs, maybe in the palms and soles also. So just check out. And then if your child is cooperative enough and you can have a look at the back of the mouth, you will see lots of red dots or red and white dots. Then you can be rest assured that that is hand, foot and mouth disease in children. So this is a very self-limiting illness. It's caused by a virus which belongs to the chickenpox family. We call that Coxsackie virus. That's what is the one that causes. But it's a very self-limiting one. It doesn't cause any harm to majority of the children. The treatment is still just supportive care. So if your child is well hydrated, so just give small frequent feeds. That's what you need to do to maintain that. And if they have fever, give fever medicines. Majority of the children do well. They don't need any specific ointments or anything like that. But if your child finds it very itchy, then definitely you can apply any sort of moisturizing lotion. We don't want you to rub on it, just dab on it and that's good enough. And they usually get better by 7 to 10 days. We do recommend isolation till such a time so that the child is not spreading this. So remember, hand, foot and mouth disease is a very self-limiting, commonly seen viral infection in children. And here at Aster Women and Children's Hospital in Whitefield, we take care of such children and can give advice to parents and families about this.